The functional restoration program is equivalent to 160 hours. So that looks like 5 hours a day, 5 days a week for roughly 6 weeks. And while we do focus on exercise and movement and work simulation, we do offer a variety of other classes. So for example, our mental health providers will give talks on sleep, anxiety, depression. They facilitate art classes. We have nutrition. Immediately after injury, there's an understandable level of fear surrounding injury. And while that might be helpful in the short term, we often encounter patients who are months to years down the road, and that fear can be a major barrier to their rehabilitation. The functional restoration program serves as a safe environment for patients to explore movement and help get them back to function.
We have all of these unique expertise that come in to provide this approach to address the whole patient. It's not individual care anymore, or we oftentimes conservative care, treating the patient individually. We treat the patient as a whole person, where we come in and address the biopsychosocial model, which is the whole person.
We want you to get to a point where your pain is not stopping you from the activities you want to do. It's not keeping you from work. It's not keeping you from day-to-day activities and interaction with, family and friends and those types of things. When we go through the program, we want to see function improve, and that means that the impact of your pain is going to decrease.
Most of the patients we see, this is their first work comp injury. They don't have any experience with being injured before. They are unfamiliar with the delay and slowness of the work comp system. They are not prepared for those challenges. And so the treatment in FRP really helps to let these patients know that they're not the only person who's experiencing this, and the empathy and the support of the group is really transformational.
They're constantly checking on you, and all the training they give us, and it just makes me feel so good that I can do it. And when I go home, I want to do more stuff. The program just did wonders for me, and I swear by it. I tell everybody about it.
This program gave me the encouragement that there was life after pain. There's life after surgery. There's something that I can do. And I would encourage anyone who is depressed after having, because see, we're sold that if you have the surgeries, everything will be okay. But no one tells you that after you have the surgery, it takes one pain away, but you may be stuck with a new pain.
They made me laugh, and it made it a more of a fun environment, always understanding. Like I said, the care and concern was so apparent. You felt it. You felt that the people that were working here, they just wanted you to succeed, and they wanted what was best for you. The program helped me realize that I'm not just my pain, right? I'm not just my pain. I'm not just someone that's injured. And it also helped me realize that my recovery is not something that's linear, right? It's not just a straight line. So understanding that just because you have a setback, that doesn't mean like, oh, everything's out the window, everything, I'm gonna go back to square one. Understanding that, yes, you're going to have setbacks. You're going to have days where you're not feeling good. But if you just keep going and you keep persevering, it will get better. It does.